and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a flip over clip-in hair install for you guys. These clip-ins were sent from CurlsQueen. Thank you guys so much for sending over the hair. So let's just start with the foundation. I am literally just taking out my hairline just enough to cover up the tracks, and then for the back portion I am literally just putting it in a tight low ball. Now, as for the foundation, I would say if it was a straight texture or a body wave texture, of course you would need something a little bit more flatter, but because this is a kinky, coarse, yucky texture, it doesn't really matter because the hair is so big, so it's definitely going to cover it up. So yeah, also in the bottom right hand section, I am showing you guys the packaging for this hair company. It's been pretty consistent over the years. They haven't really changed anything of their hair or the packaging, so I guess I'll give that a plus. And then let's just go ahead and get into the specs of this hair. They did send over a 20-inch 10-piece set, and again I have it in a Coarse kinky blowout texture. So this pretty much did match with my hair. I would have to say that my hair is a little bit more on the silkier side, so I did try to make sure that my hair air dried instead of blow drying it out. I just came with it air dried to match the texture a little bit more, but it did still come out a little bit more silkier. So yeah, I guess it just depends on how coarse your hair is, if it's going to match with this texture. So I like to do the clip-ins because it's super quick, and also I'm on this healthy hair journey, you guys. So it definitely is like a protective style if you're not trying to put a lot of heat on your hair. I am very much not trying to do that. So for this hair review, much of the heat is on the clip-ins instead of my natural hair, so just to keep that in mind. So I'm also just showing you guys right before I put the clip-ins in which set I'm putting in, and I did end up using all of the hair. Maybe I didn't use one of the twos because you get 4 of the twos, but I don't think I used like the last one, and I didn't want to put it in because, you know, it wasn't necessary, and then it would have made the hair bigger than what it needed or bulkier. It just didn't fit, to be completely honest, so I did not use it. So here I am just putting in the 3s now. At this point it started to get easier for me to clip the clip-ins into my hair as I was going. You have to know how to put these in because sometimes they don't want to like pop or, you know, click into your hair if you go too deep into your hair. So I was literally just clipping them on to like the top layer of my hair. It just needed something to hold on to, or, you know, pretty much hold on to. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I did that all the way until I got right behind my hairline, and I got as close as possible to that, and that's pretty much it, you guys. It came out pretty flat in my opinion. Again, I did not use that last 2-piece because it was just going to be there's just going to be too much around my hairline, so, or behind my hairline. So just keeping it simple, flat, and that's pretty much it. So now we're going to go into me styling this hair. I am going to be using my T3 wand curler to style this hair. As you guys can see, I'm letting out my little twist here, and I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out and then throw it back so that I can then form my flip over method as this company wanted. So now, like I said before, I didn't blow dry my hair. I just let it air dry, you guys, so that I can match the hair texture. So my hair is very dry, brittle. There's no product on it at all. And I'm just showing you guys, of course, a back view. I guess it was a good day because normally I'm not able to ever do this because it always goes out of focus. But anyways, I'm just flipping the hair over so that I can get ready to curl. And I am using my T3 wand curler. You guys can find this in my Amazon storefront. This one is a detachable, so it has like 3 different sizes. However, I don't know where they are. So I'm using the biggest one today. And also, because this is kinky straight hair, you guys, I would prefer to use a bigger wand curler with it anyways, because it's a lot of hair and it's super poofy. So yeah, also I'm doing like light waves today, so I'm just showing you guys how each curl came out for this hair video, and so that you guys could see how it curls and things of that such. And then I'm pretty much just going to use a wide tooth comb in my fingers to get a little bit more volume with the hair, and that is pretty much it. I'm going to fix up my edges, brush them, because I know it looks like I have like a bald spot. I'm going to fix that up, and then that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think of this protective style method. Do you guys wear clip-ins? Are you guys familiar with CurlsQueen? Let me know what you guys think, and that's all that I have for you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.